Alright, it's Tuesday morning. We've got most of our prep done. Your traditional hurricane preparations, with the exception of shutters, we don't have them. But one different thing about it, living down by the water, is when you expect storm surge, now we have to go through and take everything and move it up to higher ground inside the house, like electronics and stuff. So that's the next step. But the important stuff is done. That's just stuff, just material stuff. It can be replaced. So I'll see. Okay, so we've got almost 4 inches since Sunday morning. It is 8:45 a.m. Tuesday. The water's starting to come back in now. See guys, I know what I'm doing. I follow my instincts. I got off the beach, and as soon as we got to the car, it started raining. Don't fret. But I also want to show you what the swales are looking like here on the island, so you understand when more rain and stuff comes, these roads are going to flood for sure. So I'll show you up here. You can see all the swales filling up on the side of the road. In particular over here on the Gulf side. They're all full. And I don't think they'll be sending the trucks around to suck them out right now. We'll have to wait and see, but normally they send them around, but I think they might have sent everybody home. Mandatory evacuation zones A and B, including Marco Island. Coming up on Residence Beach. Which is obviously not open today. And again, there's still quite a few people out on the roads here on the island. It's not like it was on Fort Myers Beach as Ian was arriving. It was pretty quiet about 36 hours out from landfall when I was there. Probably about the same for this situation, but there's a lot more.